A very good morning, my dear children. We have started with the chapter of Wall magazine for your class. Today we are going to continue with that third part. Here, third part. I'm confused. Please help. My best friend is ignoring me. Means she's not liking me. She's telling, no, you go away from me, or I don't like you, I hate you. So she's not looking at her anymore. My best friend is ignoring me this year. I feel angry and unhappy about it. She's telling, I feel very unhappy. I'm not happy because she's ignoring me. She's not talking with me. I don't know why. And I am feeling very unhappy about it. I'm not happy with this. So, what can I do? But I still think of her as my best friend. Now, this one is telling, but yet I feel that she is my best friend. I don't know why. Why is she doing this to me? I'm confused. Please help. Just see how she's sitting very sad. And she's thinking about my friend is not talking to me. And why she's not talking, I don't know what to do. So I'm confused, but yet I think that she's my best friend. And I'm confused. Please help me out. Experts' advice from senior friends. What are the advices? Don't we feel this sometime or other? Sometime or other we feel that our friends are ignoring us. Why are they ignoring? Even we think. Don't worry. Let's see what we can do. First, please think about it without getting upset. First, you think about her. Why? Why she's not talking to me? I've done something wrong. I've said to her something. Okay, without thinking about or without getting upset. Is she really ignoring you? Really she's ignoring, or you're feeling that way? What are the things that you used to do together? What are the things you both do together? But don't do it anymore. What are the things you're not doing now? Before that you both were doing. Think about that. For example, sitting on the same bench, having a tiffin together, coming to school or going back home together, and so on. Some of the things you do this way daily. And now recently what you're not doing. Just think about it. If you still do most of these things together, you may be wrong in thinking that she is ignoring you. Yet if you're doing these things again together, then don't think that she is ignoring you. You can talk to her about it. You can talk to your friend about why she is not talking to you, what happened, what is the reason why you're ignoring me. Find out if you have hurt her in some way. Find out if you have hurt her in some way. You must have told her something by mistake, and it must have touched her heart, and she must have felt bad for that. If there is misunderstanding, and that is why she is not warm towards you as she was before, if that is so, you can simply say sorry, and she will immediately be friends with you again. Now, if there is a misunderstanding and why she is not warm towards you, why she is not talking to you as before, if that is so, you just say to her sorry, and she will immediately be friends with you. Don't think that she is wrong. You must have said her something, and that way she must have felt bad, my dear child. Has she made new friends? Is that what is making you feel a little jealous and sad? Now, if you think that she has made new friends, for that reason you are feeling jealous and sad, well, you can always be friends with her new friends. When you can join with her new friends, your friend may appreciate it. Your friend may like it. She will tell, yes, come and join us. Why not? If your last year's best friend has really started ignoring you without any reason, do not keep brooding about it. Do not go on thinking about it. If your last year's friend, she's really ignoring you or he's really ignoring you without any reason, don't keep on brooding about it. Don't keep on thinking about it. Just leave it. You can make friends with others. You can make new friends. Maybe after a few days, your old friend will also be close to you once again. Maybe after some few days, she'll come back to you. So don't feel bad. What could be some other problems for next issue? You can think over some other issue, my dear children. Next, there is a poem. Just see rhyme and rhythm. It's a beautiful poem. The Little Rose Tree. Just see the rose tree. So beautiful roses are growing over here. Every rose on the little rose tree is making a different face at me. Just see the different face of the rose. Now the poet is telling, every rose on the little tree is making different face at me. Some look surprised when I pass by, and others droop, but they are shy. Others put their head down because they are shy. These two whose heads together press tell secrets I could never guess. These two of them are joining together and talking to each other. They're sharing the secrets. I can never guess what they want to tell. Some have their heads thrown back to sing. Some have put their heads back for singing songs. And all the buds are listening. The small buds are listening to the songs. I wonder if the gardener knows, or if he calls just a rose. I wonder what the gardener knows if he calls just a rose. Written by Rachel Field. Next poem is on lyrics. That is a flying horse or a horse fly. Did you ever see a horsefly, my dear children? A horsefly, a horsefly. Did you ever see a horsefly, a horsefly, a horsefly? Did you ever see a horsefly, fly, fly? Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, a pen stand? Did you ever see a pen stand, stand, stand? You can use these funny phrases in the place of horsefly. You can use many of these phrases in the place of horsefly or pen stand. Enjoy the puns, different meanings. Like you can say, did you ever see a shoelace? A shoelace, a shoelace. Did you ever see a shoelace? A shoelace, a shoelace. Okay. Did you ever see a hairpin? A hairpin, a hairpin. Did you ever see a hairpin? A hairpin, pin, pin. This way you can make all this whole poem. Next poem is One Bright Day. Just see the ladies, two ladies are clapping their hands. Can you see? Two girls. One bright day in the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Now what is said over here? One bright day in the middle of the night, आधी रात को, two dead soldiers got up to fight. The soldiers were dead, they get up to fight. Back to back they faced each other. They faced each other, drew their swords and shot each other. They removed the swords and they started beating each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise. The policeman was deaf, but he heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. And the policeman ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man. He saw it too. Now, if you don't believe that this lie, whatever is said is true, this lie means ye jhoot, sachai. Ask the blind man. Okay? Ask the blind who did not see. Is it true? Or is that true? Or whatever it is. So again, one bright day in the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, drew their swords and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this line is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too. So my dear children, this was the end of the chapter, that is a wall magazine for your class. My dear children, we go for the next chapter day after tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe. Read your chapters.